person that will always have your heart. You never see it coming, 'cause you're blinded from the start. You're that one for me, it's clear for everyone to see. Oh baby, you will always be feelings so deep in my feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feelings like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Girl, you do something to me. Ooh, now I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go. Bottom, boot up, bitty da-da, boot up. Yeah, my heart go. Bottom, boot up, bitty da-da. It just won't stop, it go. Bottom, boot up, bitty da-da, boot up. Yeah, my heart go. Bottom, boot up, bitty da-da. It just won't stop, it goes. Oh, how many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. Do you remember, girl? I was the one that gave you your first kiss. 'Cause I remember, girl, I was the one who said put your lips like this. Even before all the famous people screaming your name. Girl, I was there, you were my baby. Started when we were younger, you were mine. Now another brother's taking over, but it's still in your eyes. And even though we used to argue, it's alright. I know we haven't seen each other in a while, but you will always be my how you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C your purses, you deserve it. Homies in your DMs, they be thirsty. And in person, but you be curving. Curvy little body, love your surface. Yeah, I'm all up on your body, make you nervous. Like the way you keep up with your wordness. Yeah, it's okay. Hey. Yeah, it's okay. Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C your purses, you deserve it. Homies in your DMs, they be thirsty. And in person, but you be curving. Curvy little body, love your surface. Yeah, I'm all up on your body, make you nervous. Like the way you keep up with your wordness. Yeah, it's okay. Hey. Yeah, it's okay. Hey. It's okay. Hey.